Now this was a cold start on my 2025 XPro Capri 150cc by Gibbon. I ordered it from Power Sports Max. It cost me roughly $1,039 even. This was a cold start. Like I said, it struggled as it should sometimes, I'm guessing, I'm assuming, which is normal. It struggled when I gave it its first crank of the morning, the first of the day, and that's because it was a cold start. The enricher had to kick in and all the engine and components needed to warm up. It usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes for my scooter to warm up to a steady idle, and my steady idle is usually 2,000 RPMs per minute, or whatever. Soon I will be doing an idle adjustment to get it down to 17 and see how that performs. And the reason I said 17 is because let's see, move this out of the way. Right here somewhere, let me just find it. It says the idle speed should be 1,700, give or take, or whatever. And I'm idling steady at 2. I will do my best to try to get it down to a steady idle at 1,700, and it should perform a lot quieter. It should perform a lot quieter, and that's what I'll do. I haven't really driven it much, but for when I did drive it, I drove it around the neighborhood. It was pretty fun. It goes pretty fast, pretty quick. As you can see, I have 16 miles on it. I bought it in July sometime. It took 7 days to get here from California. Well, 7 days to get to me from California. And yeah, I like it, and I honestly do want more. I would like to have more, and I will get more. But if you stayed tuned on this video this long, thank you so much. Thank you for staying. And come back for the idle adjustment video. You go ahead and like and subscribe. You'll know when that video comes. But that'll be it for this video right here. I'll see you again on the next one. Peace.